All right, start her up. Nice. Nice. 1969 M-Code GTS, Mr. Norm's 440. Turn the lights on. All right, give me the brights. Very nice, turn those off. Turn signal. Very good. Nice, healthy idle. Beautiful, beautiful paint in this light. It just does it wonders. Red lines from the factory. Big block 440 GTS dual exhaust. Listen to that. All right, turn signal. Very nice. Super straight body, white stripe, white interior. This is a Mr. Norm's Sport Club member. You get a membership when you bought a car. Scat Pack, 444 barrel call out. Just gorgeous. Okay, cut that turn signal. All right. I'm gonna go over the top of the car, catch another hit of that beautiful white interior. GTS Sport Bumblebee stripe, like all Scat Pack cars got. All right, give it some gas. Oh my God. Yeah. That's great. Oh, nice, settle down to a nice lope. This one was sold new at Grand Spaulding Dodge. That's right, Mr. Norm's car. Okay, I'm going to open up the hood now. There is the 440 factory exhaust manifolds.